Don't you worry, I'll take good care of you. I wonder what Max is planning for Lily today. And all done. What did you just do? This looks so bad on me. Wait, just give me one more chance, I promise. My hair better not be all ruined. First, let's just grab this table fringe and then make a small cut. Then, place it on your head and clip it using bobby pins. Now, all done. Looking good, Lily. Wow, I love this new look. Thanks, Max. No problem, that's what I'm here for. Now let's take a pic. Finally, I've been waiting all day just to eat these. Just a little bit of sprinkles and perfect. Ooh, I want some. Hey, don't touch my food. But I'm so hungry. No, out. Oh wait, someone's calling me. I better take it. Aha! Now's my chance. Ooh, this looks so good. Yummy. Hey, my donuts! Who said you can eat my donuts? It wasn't me? Yeah, right, it's all over your lips. Ugh, I can't believe him. Oh wait. Aha! For this beauty look, just apply coconut oil onto your lips. And simply dip your lips into some sprinkles. And voila! Picture perfect! Yay! I have to get ready for the party tonight! Wait, what is that? Oh, my whole night is ruined! Why? Now I can't go out. Wait. Oh. Apply some eyelash glue onto a face gem. And place it over your pimple to cover it. And then add more gems for more color. And ta-da! Looking good, girl. Now I'm all ready to go. Just apply a small touch of this and a little bit of that. I don't know if I like this look though. Wait, someone texted me? Oh, Lily sent me a picture? Wow, that is so cute. I bet this would look so good on me. For this look, apply petroleum jelly to make the glitter more adhesive. Dab a little bit of glitter using a brush and apply it onto your eyelids. Oh hey, how'd you like my new look? You look nice. Aw, for me? Wait, where are you going? Max, why'd you leave? Which earring should I choose today? This? No. Ugh. Wait, I know what to do. For this beauty trick, grab some lip balm and apply it to your outer ear. Using a brush, dip it into glitter and apply it over the lip balm on your outer ear. Then, grab a face gem, put some super glue and an earring stud onto it. And voila! Perfect for a night out. Now, you're all ready, girl. Wow, nice hairstyle there, Joyce. Ow! Are you okay, Joyce? Ow, that really hurts. Ugh, it's gonna swell so much. Wait, you can apply some toothpaste onto your burn to help soothe it. Now, you have to wait for 20 minutes and then rinse it with water. Ta-da! It looks as good as new.